Hello all, welcome to Sudarshan CAD Technologies channel. Today in this tutorial, we are going to learn about 3D texture command in SolidWorks. So let's get started. Uh, even we can use this command to add various textures on 3D face of the part. It can be 3D printed on 3D print. Okay. Next, just go to Appearance palette, select Miscellaneous, then 3D texture, and select the 3D texture whichever you want. You can find the various types of bumps over here. Just select, drag, so it will be applied. Okay. And if you want to edit, go to mapping. Here you can change the mapping style. You can change the scale of the texture, and also you can rotate it. As you can see, there are different types of mapping styles and even mapping sizes. These are the styles, and here we get the different mapping sizes. Now we will give it some angle and click OK. Just click here. Next, go to Insert, Feature, and in that click on 3D texture and select the body to apply the texture, and then click here. Okay, you can see here you can do the changes as per your need. Okay. Once you are done with the changes, just click OK. Okay. And you can change this bump, that is, or this texture to some other texture as well. Now let us change. I will select the null bump and apply on the face, and just edit it. For that, again go to mapping, now select the 3D texture, okay. Just see here you can find the texture which you had applied. You can find the name over here. That is the null bump. Okay, so click on OK. Now you can see the smooth texture. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. For more details, you can visit our official site at Sudarshan CAD Technologies. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you all in the next video.